Our latest electric vans offer many of the same features and benefits that you're used to. When you get inside the cab, it should all feel familiar, with the latest MBUX screen and the controls you're used to on our latest models. However, there are a few differences, and I'll explain them to you. The MBUX screen now shows your charge levels, as well as details of how economically you're driving, which is handy because it can help you maximise the range. Also, if you subscribe to digital extras and MBUX navigation, the navigation system will calculate where your nearest charging points are. Just press Chargers on screen and you'll see a list of the nearest ones, as well as the range required to get you there. For compatible public chargers, the system also shows you available charging speed and whether the charge point is currently in use, reducing charging downtime. For guidance and support on switching to electric, visit our website or contact your Mercedes-Benz dealer.